Welcome back, friends. Today we have fun Christmas crafts, and we're going to start with some popsicle sticks. We're also going to use some green paint and brown paint. We're also going to use pom-poms in the green, red, and white. You can use these from Dollar Tree, but I do have the bigger bag from Amazon, which is way better. You can use Mod Podge or white glue for parts of this craft, but I'm going to use my hot glue. I'm also going to use yellow paper and my star-shaped puncher. I'm going to also use my scissors as well as a paintbrush, actually 2 paintbrushes. And we're going to start painting 5 of the popsicle sticks in the green and 1 of them in the brown tone. While that is drying, we're going to take the yellow paper and the star puncher, and we're just going to punch 1 star. I love these shape punchers. Once I got them on Amazon, let me tell you, it was a game changer. I love that you just punch it, and then right there it is at the bottom. So cool. They come in a pack of 6 with a circle, a snowflake, a flower, a heart, and a different type of flower. These are all great to have when you're crafting, especially with kiddos. So I do have it in my Amazon store, and it is linked in the description box below if you want to take a look. All right, now that the sticks are dry, we are going to start by shaping 3 of the sticks in the green in the shape of a triangle, and we're just going to hot glue it in place. This is why I use hot glue, because it is quicker and it dries quicker, but white glue would work well. You just have to let it harden. All right, then we're going to place the other 2 sticks kind of like starting at the top and then working their way down in the shape of like a V. And then we're going to take the brown one, and you can either snap it in half or use wire cutters or whatever you can to cut it in half. Then we're going to flip the tree over, and we're going to hot glue them to the back, just like that, and that will be the stem of what will be a Christmas tree. Then we're going to take the star, and we're just going to hot glue it to the top. And now we're going to start adding the pom-poms. This is what you can add, really any color pom-poms, or you can leave it just like it was. You can also add glitter, whatever you want. I'm just going to keep alternating the colors so they're nicely spread along the tree, and it's covered into what I like. You can add whatever else you want to it. The possibilities are endless. I think this craft is so adorable and so easy to make. Kids will love it. You're going to love making it with them. I would love to know what you think of this one down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to start with more popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree. These buttons came from Walmart, but you can use the ones from Dollar Tree as well. This Chanel stem in any color you want, some googly eyes, yellow and black paper. You can use stock paper or regular construction paper, a black marker, poster board, just a small piece will be fine, a pencil, as well as something that you can trace that is round but not too big. I'm going to use my ruler and my hot glue. All right, we're going to trace the round objects so that we can start cutting what will be a circle in the head of a snowman. You can do this in any size you want. This is just the size that I picked. We're going to give this little snowman a little hat, so I'm going to use the black paper and just create a rectangle. I placed it on top of the circle so that I kind of know what size I want it, but of course you can do it wherever you want. I'm going to make a few extra marks, and we're just going to cut it in the shape of what will be a hat. Once I have the hat cut, I am just going to hot glue it to the front of the head right there. It's coming along so cute. We're going to add a couple of googly eyes. Then we're going to take the yellow paper, and we're going to cut it in the shape of a triangle. I like to cut my little snowman carrot noses a little oversized. I think they're adorable when they're like that. And then use the black marker to create dots for a mouth. I should have painted these sticks before we did all that, so they are drying, but that's okay. They dry pretty quickly. We're going to take the Chanel stem, and we're going to add a piece right there to the hat, and then fold it to the back once you glue the front, just like that. We're going to use the remaining here in just a minute. Now we're going to pick some buttons. I wanted these buttons or this craft to be fun, have some fun colors. I glued the sticks backwards. Don't mind me. Don't do as I do. Just do as I say. Just make sure you glue them the right way or paint both sides, and then you'll go Anyway, all right, so now once these sticks are attached, we're going to add the buttons. Again, you can use black buttons and keep it pretty traditional, but I want this to be fun and colorful. We're going to use the remaining Chanel stem and we're just going to wrap it around the neck, twist it, and cut off the excess however long you want it. I think it's adorable. Oh my word, it's one of my favorite snowman I've created this year. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to take more Dollar Tree popsicle sticks, gray paint, although I changed my mind and I use a darker tone, white paint. We're going to use ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Any ribbon you have is fine. And some of these window clings, they're like stickers. You can use any stickers you have as long as they're Christmassy or wintry. Hot glue. And we're going to start with 13 sticks. We're going to count 10 of them and we're going to join them together. And then we are going to just make sure that the top and the bottom are nice and straight. So I'm just going to use my ruler to keep me straight there. And then we're going to take one of the other sticks and hot glue it to the bottom, leaving about like 3/4 or about an inch from the bottom. Then we are going to angle the top ones, creating what will look like a little house, just like that. And then hot glue as needed. Again, you can use white glue, but it may take a little longer to harden. Then we're going to paint the entire thing. This is the darker gray that I picked is the Elephant Tone by Waverly. And we're just going to give it one coat and let it dry. While that is drying, we're going to take the ribbon. We're going to make very simple bow. I like to loop the ribbon like an awareness ribbon, scrunch it in the middle, and then take more ribbon and then just tie it in the center with some, like a little simple knot. That is it. And then, of course, you want to fluff the bow as needed and cut off any excess as needed. We are going to take the sticker. We're going to take this cute little one and we're going to cut off the legs and then we're going to place it right there in the center. We're going to take the back of the paintbrush and we're going to dip it in the white paint and make little dots to make it look like it's snowing. And you can do as little or as much as you want. Once I had it where I wanted it, then we're just going to hot glue the bow right on top and that is it. Again, a gorgeous one. You can even do this one during winter. I love the colors. I love the little penguin. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.